Hey dog, why are you so excited? I'm so curious what this is.
I know what it is. It's
What?
the ASUS thing.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Got a new knife. Let's see. Oh man! Wow! 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 Aww. Back in the studio, and we've been thinking, actually we've been running this channel for over a year now. I've done videos on several phones, maybe some tablets and earphones. Some of the product reviews are actually on my Instagram. Just simply too many things to do. But anyway, I realized that we have never touched on a gaming phone before. So I tried out some new hair product today. So my hair is kind of bouncy today. Hopefully it stays in place and stop going all over, just like the previous scene. The very nice people at ASUS have sent us the ROG Phone 3, which is what we're going to be unboxing today. I actually wanted to set up this phone and use it the moment I got it because I was just so excited. I've never used a gaming phone before, but I really want you guys to be part of this journey. So yeah, let's go. Let's take a look what's inside the box. Oh, the hair is going everywhere again. Here comes the unboxing. This is the actual box itself. So quite different from the usual. You can see that it's in a triangular format. I think they call this the totem. So totally different packaging. Wait. This is not the phone. This is the Aero Active Cooler 3, so you can see this is their new cooler, but where's the phone? For those who dare, we have another casing today. So this is the standard casing that you'll be receiving along when you buy the phone. And I'm just really curious, where's the phone, man? Supposedly these are for the center USB plugs, ports USB-C to USB-C braided wires. Looks very high quality. Comes with the embossed ROG logo on it. Okay, USB-C to 3.5mm because some of you guys still prefer to use wired headphones or wired gaming headsets, so this is going to be useful for you. Okay, this is the charger, 30 watts max. Okay. Seriously, where's the phone? Oh, so apparently the phone is over here. And yep, this is the ASUS ROG Phone 3. An upgraded Snapdragon 865 Plus, and of course they kept the big battery. One of the few feedbacks about the ROG 2 might be the camera, so here you go, they upgraded the camera, triple cameras. Super high screen refresh rate, and I really enjoyed the dual front facing speakers. Now let's talk about casings. This is the casing that you are going to receive in the box when you purchase the phone. It's pretty good for people who want a slim casing, especially with protection on the corners. My choice of casing would definitely be this one. The lights behind are just mesmerizing to look at, and it provides the most protection compared to the other two. Attaching the casing to the phone also unlocks a special customized theme. 6000 milliamperes of battery. I'm not even sure whether I need to bring a power bank out even if I play games on this phone. 6000 sounds like it's gonna last me the whole day. So follow Plussixfive on Instagram, where I will be posting some updates on the phone, how is my experience of using this phone. And anyway, if you like this video, a sub would be great. So right now I'm just gonna pop my SIM card, set up the phone, and I'll keep you guys updated on Instagram. So that's the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Let me know in the comment section down below if there's anything you want to see me review or cover on, or if you like this video, just like it or share it with anybody else. So bye.